English for everyday activities.
Managing a household.
Doing laundry. Later today, I'm going to do my laundry. I'll carry the laundry basket to the laundry room. I'll take the laundry out of the basket. And then I'll sort it by separating dark colors from light. And take out anything I find in them. Then I'll put a load of laundry into the washing machine. I'll adjust the settings on the machine. Then I'll put in some detergent. And turn the machine on. The machine will wash, rinse, and spin the laundry. I'll take the wet clothes out of the machine. I'll hang some of the laundry out to dry. I'll put some other laundry into the dryer. The dryer will dry it by heating and tumbling it. Then I'll take it out of the machine. I'll fold some of the dry laundry and put it into drawers. I'll iron other things and hang them up in the closet.